So, hello, might seem too happy. A new day in a new business, and I made 3.5k. So it's like $3,526. And my first day closing a deal on my new business. Today's video, I'm gonna talk about the traps, how to trade the traps, how to avoid them, so you can increase your win rate. Today is beautiful, today is awesome. We are succeeding right here, man. Yeah, so let's get into the video. We are gonna talk about the failed second entries. So there is a thing, a lot of people actually like get into trading, have a good strategy, a good discipline, a good setup, you wait, everything is perfect, and then when you enter, the market reverses on you, hit your stop loss. Why? So in today's video, I'm gonna talk about the traps, as I say, the failed second entries, so you can use them in your favor, increase your win rate. You're gonna lose. There's 100% like that you're gonna lose sometimes, but I'm gonna show you how to avoid them. I'm gonna show you how to ride the traps. Someone's calling. I'm gonna show you how to ride the traps and how to increase your win rate by actually knowing them. So we're gonna talk about the second entry, the failed second entries, the traps, and when to spot them, how to spot them, and how to trade them. So what is this a failed second entry? So normally if you watch the video and you're actually familiar now with the strategy, so a failed second entry is a second entry that seems to be filled in the last signal bar, okay? So we're gonna talk about the signal bar later, and let's talk about the failed second entries. So this one is a one that I just marked right now. So price is actually right here, failed to break higher. So this was like exactly like a leg. This is the first leg, and we're having a pullback. And here, prices tried to break higher again. So if you came like in the same time in the market, you're gonna see the candle trying to break higher and then failed and actually turned bearish. So this one was a failed second entry long. So this one, you must use it to enter short. So when a failed second entry happens, if a failed second entry long, you go short. This is a failed second entry long. There's another one that I just found that I talked about like in the previous video. This one. So talking about this one, this was like a strong support area. So we're expecting prices to fail. So if we actually highlighted this one with an arrow, so this one is actually a first entry short, right? So this one a first entry short, and we're having a pullback. There was the pullback right here. There was the pullback right here, and then price tried to break lower, but it fails, and prices actually broke higher and closed it right here. So this one was a failed second entry short, but prices were actually like trying to break lower, and it was in a downtrend. So we don't trade prices like this. So it's so easy. You wait for prices to actually complete the last candle before you enter. Like, you be patient, don't enter early because the market is gonna reverse on you. So you wait for it and you see if it's a failed or like a good setup. And there is another tip. All prices that fails, actually you're gonna see it failed at the AMA. So let's see this one. So this is like a failed second entry. It fails at the AMA. I'm gonna look out for one and then get back with you. So here is the one that I'm gonna highlight right now, so you can see this one. So there was actually prices were going in a downtrend. When then prices moved right here, tried to break higher and failed. Prices go down, made the second entry short, and this one, this candle right here, the green candle, was the one that shows that prices failed, and this was your entry right here. Hold on, let me show you entry exactly. So this one was your entry. You can enter immediately right here. So in the third candle, like upside the AMA. So a quick tip: that I want to talk about. So when you see prices is going like under the AMA, you never go long. And when prices is above the AMA, you never go short. So this is like, because price always come to the EMA and react to it. So if you want to go short, make sure that prices actually looks like this under the EMA. And you want to enter long, make sure that price is above the EMA. And if the EMA is inside, like in the middle of the prices, it means there was a congestion area. It's like price indecision. So watch out, don't enter. That was it. And quick video. So I guess I'm gonna talk about the funded accounts. Hold on a second, let me get that page. So this is FTMO. It's a founded like a prop firm to get into. I'm gonna advise you with this one. I work with it like usually, like best legitimate, and like you can receive your payments. There's like a few accounts, few decisions. I'm gonna advise you with the at least the 25 account, 25k. And it's actually cheap, it's like 250. You take it, you choose your rule, you do your things, and like you can see it, average rewards, and it's so legitimate. Other than that, there's like something like companies call it like founded next, founded pips, go training, but this one for FTMO, it's like the most legitimate at all. Like, so this is it. Try, and by the way, read the rules. Read about it, make your researches, just don't just listen to me and do what I tell you. Go look for yourself, search for yourself, do think what you preach about, do things that makes you feel comfortable. That was it, that was the video, and that was today's video. It was kinda quick, and that's it. I'll see you in the next video, guys.